So I'm going to perform the tutorial for same demo. So this time I'm going to visit the IP address from here. Apparently my terminal gets stuck after I associate the Elastic IP address to the instance, and then when I stop the instance, my terminal gets stuck. So I'm going to demonstrate by visiting the IP address. So on this server, I have an index.html file, and on visiting this IP address, we see our index.html file saying hello world. Let's say for some reason our server stops or like fail, I mean crashes. And so to simulate that uh, scenario where our server crashes, so for that same reason I'm just stopping the our instance. Also, I'll refresh this page just to show that like it won't be rendered anymore to us. So as you can see, the server has stopped and even our page does not get rendered. I'm going to start the instance. So our instance is running now. I'm going to refresh this page so that we can see our index.html. And as you can see, like it fails every time I refresh it to render our page. It's because like this time we have been provided with another IP address um, compared to the last time. And so I'm going to visit this page too. So on visiting this IP address, we get our index.html. Now again, I'm going to associate an IP address. So first I'll stop the in. Okay, I'll keep the instance running. I'm going to just associate the IP address to that instance. So our Elastic IP address is associated to our running instance. Now I'm going to stop this instance. Now you can see here that like the IP address here has changed to the Elastic IP address that we associated it to this instance. So even if I refresh this page, we won't get it. Anyways, like I've stopped this instance, so we won't be able to see this page. So our instance has stopped completely, and like our index.html is not being rendered at this IP address. Now I restart my instance, and it's up and running. And I'm going to visit this IP address, which is our Elastic IP address. And it renders hello world. Now I'm going to again stop this instance. I'll, I'll refresh the page just to ensure that like it is not getting rendered since we stopped our instance. I'll wait for some time more until we don't stop until we stop seeing this page. So as you can see, like the server is not anymore rendering the page. So I'll restart this instance. Now, as you can see, like our instance is running, but this time our IP address hasn't changed. It's 3.141.67.185. So I'm just going to refresh this page. And as you can see on refreshing this page, we see the our index.html file. So this is the benefit of Elastic IP address, that our our IP address does not change. So when an application crashes or server stops running for some reason, and when the server is back up and running, the end user or like whoever who is using us consuming our service by visiting this IP address uh, has can visit the same IP address all the time to consume our service or visit our application or use our application. So this is the benefit of having Elastic IP address and one of the use case of the Elastic IP address.